hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best.
Everything looks so beautiful at night.
First time in the city?
Yeah, and I already love it.
I am so excited. This is a beautiful place. It's my new beginning. I am happy.
New city. I hope this place feels like home.
Okay, I got this. Why did I bring so many bags? Don't fall! Don't fall! Whoa, almost crashed!
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
This feels interesting.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be fun.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Mia. I work in corporate finance, and most of my days are honestly just meetings, deadlines, and coffee. Hey, I'm Sophie. I am just trying to survive student life with iced coffee and zero sleep. But yeah, this is basically my new beginning.
Hi, I'm Leo, student by name, professional procrastinator by talent. I came to this city to study, but honestly, I mostly just survive on noodles, memes, and last-minute assignments.
Hi, I'm Owen. My job keeps me busy most of the time, but sketching is something I've never really let go of.
Whoa, it's even prettier inside. It feels warm.
Yeah, feels like the start of something.
It's too heavy. I don't see the stairs.
Welcome to Leo Concert. Cleaning time!
Honestly, this room feels peaceful. Oh wow, this one is definitely mine.
Whoa, whoa, catch the noodles!
Not it.
Guys, there's literally '01 ketchup bottle in here. I am hungry. Someone order food.
Large pizza for the chaos creators? Yes! Our survival food is here!
I swear, this pizza is the only thing getting me through unpacking Mia's book collection.
It's the best pizza ever. We have to get another one next week.
Don't stay up too late, all right?
Yeah, I'm almost done, thanks.
So peaceful. I love rain.
Whoa, slippery!
Nice save, bro.
Oops. Woohoo! Yes, perfect. Oh dear.